phase of the meltdown and breakdown has been brought entirely by the irresponsible announcement of the so-called new Minister of Finance, Mtuli Ncube. It's hard to believe that he's actually a professor of economics, because his actions reflect a total lack of knowledge of the minute details, the fine details of economics. So to then impose this onerous fresh tax of 0.02% per dollar is just criminal. So it's a very cruel, a very ill-thought decision by the so-called Minister of Finance. It's very amateurish.
What's the money for?
For madness, for recurrent expenditure, for joints, going to the UN, for hiring private jets, having put us in this position that we now in a cashless society because of their theft. They are now going to punish us in that space now by increasing this tax. How cruel can you be? How insensitive can you be? I said Mtuli is a professor of economics who doesn't know economics. So Mtuli is doing the opposite of what is supposed to be done. He is supposed to cut taxes. He is supposed to let people spend money, but they're doing the opposite. And they've been doing the opposite. Remember, Statute of Instrument 164, where they said we couldn't buy things there, we couldn't buy things, compressing demand. You don't need to compress demand, you need to encourage demand. That's why I question everything about him. He's a fraud, he's a fiction. I don't know what he is. He's a Mickey Mouse, he's an handicap. He just stole our smart document. So we need to lay charges against Mtuli for plagiarizing. They just stole. But of course, when you steal, you can't always steal well, and you can't steal.